customer. Hello, I'm calling to book a farm. Stay for next weekend. Is there any availability for 2 people?
Hi there. Yes, we still have a few spots left. Would you like to stay in our eco-friendly cottage or a tent?
The cottage, please. We're looking for a place to unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Also, do you offer any hands-on workshops?
Certainly. We have a special session on Sunday morning where you can learn about strawberry cultivation.
This farm is so peaceful. Can you tell us the secret to growing such juicy strawberries?
It's all about the soil quality and irrigation. We use organic fertilizers and a drip irrigation system to ensure the plants get just the right amount of water.
That's fascinating. What about the pest control?
We avoid chemical pesticides. Instead, we use natural predators and mulching to protect the strawberry runners.
I see. After this session, I'm going to recharge my batteries by the pond. This rural scenery is truly therapeutic.